Hello Hornets! This how-to video will show you how to locate items in our catalog, place books on hold, check to see which books you have out, and how to renew your books. First, let's get to the library website. Here is the Queens Intermediate's website, and if you select Library, this will take you to the library's website. When you're ready to search for a book, and this box in the middle of the home page says Online Catalog. You can either type what you're looking for here and select search, or you can select search without typing anything in if you need to check to see what books you have out or renew your books. We are going to search for books on the Holocaust. So when I do this, this searches the Queens Intermediate Library catalog. It'll show you all the books that are related to the Holocaust. At the top, you see that there are 50 results found. We're going to look at this first book here, Children of the Holocaust, so that I can show you a few things. When I select the title of the book, I can see an abstract. This is a summary of what the book is about. I can see related subject terms, so maybe I need to find more books on this title. This is just a link to a cover of the image. And then down here at the bottom, for Queens Intermediate, you'll see Library. It says Queens Intermediate. It is a book. It tells me the barcode number, the shelf number. In this case, this is the call number for it in nonfiction. And then status. This tells me where that book is located, or if that book is checked out, or anything else. So status here says nonfiction, so I know that this book is on the shelf in nonfiction at 940.5318 FIT. So I could go look for that book in the library and find it on the shelf in the library and check it out that day. Let's take a look at another book. At the bottom of the page and at the top, you can always select and go to a second page. So we're going to look at this book here called They Went Left. Again, I have an abstract. It tells me it's at Queens Intermediate. It's a book. There's the barcode number, the shelf number, and on this one you see it says available soon. If a book is available soon, that means that it is on its way to the library, or it's made its way to the library and I'm in the process of processing that book and getting it ready to be on the shelf in the library. So if you see available soon, or there's a date here in this status, that means that that book is not available for you to check out right now in the library. So what we can do is we can place a hold. This is really nice for if there's a series that you like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, or if there's a manga series that you like and you want the next book in the series, you can put those on hold. So where it says student ID, that is your ID number with the 0, and then your PIN is either your ID number or library. And library would be all in lowercase. There we go. And then where it says pick up library, we always want that to say Queens, and then we just place a hold. And it says that I already have a hold on this book, so if you forget that you have a hold, the good thing is the system will tell you. So you can say okay and continue to move on from there. This book here, White Bird, again, do. So if I would like to place this book on hold, same process, place on hold. I'm already signed in, and it'll tell you success once it's been placed on hold. So that is how we look for a book and place it on hold. Now that I'm logged in, at the top you see it says welcome and it has my name, and I can go look in my account. My account, you can see it if I have books checked out. I do. I have a book checked out, and this book has an exclamation point by it. If I look over here, I can see the due date. Oops, that was due on the 5th of August. I can easily select that book and say renew, And I can renew that book, and it'll allow me to renew it 2 times here online. So I don't even have to go to the library to do that. So that is how you look for a book in the catalog, place a book on hold, and renew books, and check your account to see what books that you have out. I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can either email me using my email information that is on the library's homepage, or you can stop by the library and ask me a question. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.